Hey guys! So basically I did my room up, and by I did my room up I mean I tidied my room for the first time in about 4 months, and yeah, I feel like it looks really cute. I decided a couple of years ago to like redecorate it because even though I was moving out to uni, my room was basically a child's room, and by that I mean the walls were bright pink and I still had blue tack on the walls from when I had pictures of One Direction and Justin Bieber, so I don't know what made me think that I wanted my walls green. I think I was kind of just looking through like the subtle like colours that were like with the whites but not white because they had a bit of colour, and I decided I wanted the green one. Yeah, anyway, I think the walls look pretty cool because they're like this really light green colour. I don't even know if you can really tell that they're green. But because I painted my walls green and everything else was old and stuff, apart from like my wardrobes, my bedside table and like, you know, just like the actual like proper furniture, we changed my whole room basically because I had a single bed and it was broken and literally fixed by my mum's boyfriend with screws at the bottom. So we got me not a double bed but like a 3/4 size bed, so it's basically a double bed. I got like all grey stuff, so my whole bedroom is basically grey and green. Yeah, there's literally 2 other bits of colour in the room, I swear. But it looks really cool, so I thought I'd do like a room tour. Well, I didn't mean to take a picture then, but I just did. So basically this is my bedroom door.
As you can see, it's a door.
Yeah, so this is where you come into my room. And then I kind of just like put like hats and stuff on it because I kind of think that looks cool, and also it's just kind of convenient because I'm just really bad at knowing where to put everything. So, and then I've just got like this little heart thing that's like, why is my hand so red? This like heart thing that's like by my door, just like hanging from a pin. Just kind of think that's a bit cute, to be honest. Got a doorstop that's from like my old room, but for some reason my house shakes every time a lorry drives past, so I kind of need that to like keep the door closed sometimes. And then behind the door I've got this picture which was from the range. It says "Drinking the Sea Air." I kind of bought it for the colours and the pictures rather than what it actually says, but I still think it's pretty cool. And then this is like a new addition to my room because I ran out of storage basically. My mum decided to move into my wardrobe and I didn't have enough space left, but she's now got a wardrobe room, so I got more space, and additionally bought this. I decided to go with like a basket and then like a drawer and then a basket and then a drawer because white and grey. And then this plant, I'm pretty sure everyone has this plant. It's from IKEA, and yeah, it just kind of trails down. It's in a like little white plant pot, which is kind of cute. Got some tissues because I just had like the plague. And then behind my door I have this like yoga mat. Not that I ever really exercise, but you know, you never know. And then that's like a softbox light in a bag. Not gonna lie, it's a bit messy, but what can you do? And then here is my wardrobes. These were from IKEA as well when we moved into the house like 10 years ago, but I'm pretty sure they still sell them. I've got like some little hearts hanging from, and then I've got a like Hawaiian thing that I'm pretty sure I got from a club in London one time. And then up here I have 5 boxes from IKEA. Pretty sure they don't sell these ones anymore. We bought them like a couple of years ago. But yeah, they kind of just match because they're grey, and again, I needed more space. I have just random stuff in them, literally. Yeah, I just have loads of just rubbish pretty much up there. Not rubbish, but stuff I don't want to get rid of. And then I have another picture on this wall. This one was also from the range. The range is actually really good for pictures because everything in there is like the pictures are all like £10 and stuff. Like, that's so cheap for something that big, but I also just think it's like a really cool picture. And the colours obviously just blend really well with my wall and stuff. And then this is my bedside table. So I got this like when we moved into the house as well. I've just got a couple of books on there. I got Harry Judd's biography because it's all about like his anxiety and stuff, and it's just a really good read. And then I've also got Matt Haig's Notes on a Nervous Planet. Well, I'll make myself look really emotionally stable with those books. And then I also have some little cute mats in an elephant. Like, how cute is that? I literally got that for Christmas. Can we just... And then I also have a lamp, obviously. I think that was from Marks and Spencer. And then I just have like this little box my mom and her boyfriend bought me from their holiday. I just put like the jewellery I wear every day in that. Yeah. And then here is my bed. My bed was just from like this local shop, and it was actually like pretty cheap, and it's so comfortable. It's just got like a white bed head like that, and I put some fairy lights around it from Primark, I think they were from, which is so good because Primark normally sell like battery powered fairy lights, and I don't want that because I don't like changing batteries, so these ones plug in. I bought them when I was at uni, but they just look really cute right around the bed head. They're like blue and pink. And then my bedding was also from Marks and Spencer. It's just this really nice pattern. Obviously it's also like a grey colour, like an elephant grey. Love that. My mum also bought these cushions at the back, which are just like so unnecessary, but so my mum, because like she's just so extra, but what can you do? They look nice when the bed's made. It's just that like I rarely make my bed properly. And this like throw was also from Marks and Spencer's. And then this is my window. This blind I think is so cute. My mum bought it from Hillary's. Yeah, it's actually light, but it's kind of dark in here. There we go. Yeah, it's like just a really nice like pattern, like a light grey, blends in with like the bedding and stuff. Really nice. And then here I just have some candles. These ones are from Marks and Spencer's. They're like the nicest smell in the world. And then these ones I just have because they're green and they're Calvin Klein candles, but as you can see I never really like them, hence the collection of dust on the top. And then I have some fairy lights like all the way across, like little love heart ones, but as I was saying about batteries, they need changing and I'm just not about that life. And then I just have some pictures, so hard to see, so I'm going to hold it up. I have this picture of me and my best friend Lydia at a club in Manchester. Not looking the best. And then I have these plants. I think these were also from Marks and Spencer's. My mum bought them for her room, but then she gave them me, which is kind of cool because I actually like little plants like this a lot. And then down there I also just have another picture from when I was a child with my nana, because my nana's super cute. And then at the bottom of my bed I have a random pillow because I have nowhere else to put it, a random bag that my mum gave me from when she was like 20, and I actually think it's really cool, but it's kind of bad and it needs sewing. And then I have a basket, which I'm not going to lie, is actually from my bike. I don't ride it really. So it just kind of sits in this room, and it's got a little sheep in it. I keep my house key in it. There's a few key rings in it for when I get a car, lol. And I also have a bottle of gin in there, which pretty much just sums me up. And then I know you're going to be like, what is that? Basically, we bought that when I was like 10 and we moved into this house, but I just can't get rid of it because I just think it's so cool. I'm going to show you. I mean, it's not dark, so you don't get the full effect, but let me tell you, it is literally like an aquarium. There are fake fish in it, and it has bubbles, and it changes colour. Literally can't part with it. It's totally unnecessary. Like, I just don't need Nemo and Dory swimming at the end of my bed, but it is pretty cool. But the noise does mean that I literally never put it on, because what is that noise? Anyway, I'll turn that off. I also nearly rip my arm off every time I turn it off because it's behind there, the plug, and I just don't need that in my life. And then basically here is just like my drawers. I have like clothes in there as everyone else does. And then on top of here I have a little desk calendar. I don't have a desk, but it looks pretty cute on there, and it has little quotes on it every month, and I just think the pictures and everything's really cute. It says, "You can handle whatever life throws at you this month," which is cute. And then in the middle I have an empty reed diffuser, but that smell is the nicest smell in the world. It's from Marks and Spencer's, and me and my mum literally live for it. Like, it is just the smell everywhere in the house. And then I have this really cute little elephant jewellery stand thing, so you put like your rings on his trunk and like earrings and stuff around him. Got him for Christmas, think he's so cute, but obviously there's nothing on it right now because I'm wearing everything. And then I just have a picture of me and my brother from when I was younger, a candle of that smell from the reed diffuser, and then this bottle lights up as well, like it has like fairy lights in it, which is really cute, but the bottom has fallen off, and I just have so many lights in this room that I just never turn them all on. And then up here I have like a bookshelf. My granddad actually made this for me when we moved into this house, which is so cute. My granddad used to make so much stuff, but we bought like these hats. I think these were from Laura Ashley like years ago, to hang from it, which I actually think is a really nice touch. And I also have this little magnet thing from when I was younger. I don't even know where I got it from, but if you know, you know. Up here I just have like a few books. By a few I mean these are probably all the books I own. I really like reading, but I'm pretty bad at just deciding to commit to a book. Like, if I'm not instantly like attached to the book, I can never be bothered finishing it. On the far left I literally have a book from when I was at uni to study nursing and then dropped out, a Speak Spanish DVD from when I was like 5 and loved Dora the Explorer. Then I have Dr. Faustus and another book from my A-level English Lit. We'll never be reading that again. We obviously have a One Direction book up there, and then I have a book from when I went to uni the second time to do primary education and then dropped out, and then I have a book that my mum told me to read and just a few other books. Basically, I actually bought that book, Everything I Know About Love by Dolly Alderton, because I heard people talking about how good it was. I am like a few chapters in and can honestly say, one, I don't know if it's fiction or non-fiction, but also I don't love it. Like, I don't know, I'm not instantly like loving it, so I've kind of just quit it. I might come back to it one day, but you never know. I also bought One Day in December because I heard someone talking about that. Eleanor Oliphant, what is it called? Eleanor Oliphant is completely fine. Bought that, read about half of it. A bit intrigued, but again, it's not gripping me instantly. I have a couple of travel books because I'm going to New York in the summer, which is pretty cool, and some notebooks and stuff. Anyway, basically, books that I will probably never read. Up here as well, I also have my favourite perfumes. Yeah, these are all my perfumes. Some of them my mum gave me and some of them I actually really love. I have a couple of small bottles of Daisy Dream. Daisy Dream is actually my first like favourite perfume. I don't really wear it anymore. And then I have Black Opium. I love that perfume by YSL, but it's pretty expensive, so I only wear it when I go out. 212 by Caroline Herrera. I love that. Malaya by Hollister is one of my actual favourite perfumes, and it's mega cheap. Again, some small bottles. There's a sample back there that I really want to buy the full bottle of, but again, it's expensive. And then I have two perfumes by Philosophy, Pure Grace and Amazing Grace. Amazing Grace is actually my favourite, but Mum gave me Pure Grace, so got a love for that. And then I just have some little cute ornaments. This one I actually got for Christmas. He's my favourite, but I accidentally decapitated him the other day. so I need to glue his head back on before it just never stays on again. Nice one. And then again a little thing and another little thing. He's pretty cute though. And then I have a boot key ring from Madeira that I plan on putting on my keys at some point. And then this really cute little thing that I put earrings in sometimes. And then on top of here I have, this is a box that came with a Snoopy in it on the left. I love the box, I think it's so cute, so I kept it, and now it's like my memory box, which I think is a nice idea, but the memories are kind of old and some of them I don't really want to keep. And then I have an elephant from when I adopted an elephant with WWF, another little cactus from IKEA, a little glow up thing, and a woodpecker that comes down the thing, I don't know why. And then on this wall I have this like metal like sign thing. I bought this in the Lake District. If you know England pretty well, I bought it in Bowness in just this really small little cute shop, and I love it. For some reason when I bought it I thought it said Perry Gumballs, not Penny, and I don't know why I ever thought that, and I often wonder. Yeah, then I have this mirror. Oops. This is my bathroom door, by the way. I would show you in there, but it's really messy, and it always is, and it just doesn't really look nice, so we'll not do that. This mirror, which is really cool, I think, because you don't often see them that like hang from doors rather than having to put them up yourself, so that's a plus. It was actually from Home Bargains like a few years ago. Can't really complain, it wasn't very expensive. And then just down here, it's pretty messy, but I just have like my favourite makeup bits. Yeah, I just have my favourite makeup bits. I have makeup brushes in 2 pots from IKEA that everyone has, and then I bought this off Amazon, and yeah, basically some of my favourite bits. So like the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, couple of lipsticks from Soph's collaboration with Revolution. Also love her palette. And then I have the Morphe 350 palette. That's probably my favourite palette because it's quite big and it's just got all orange and nudes in it. Yeah, basically. Yeah, and then we're back where we started. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my room tour. If there's anything in my room that I can actually tag below, I will do, but I'm pretty sure a lot of it's like a couple of years old, or I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, basically, if there's anything I can tag in the description box, then I will do. And yeah, I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, if you could give it a thumbs up, or anything like that, then that would be really nice and helpful. That's it really. Other than that, see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Why does it always sound staged? Thanks for watching. Bye!